ever wonder why success seems to come so easy to some people? Take, for example, this check right here. I got this check for about 2.5 hours of actual real work. And I get checks like these every week or whenever I want. How do I do it? Well, the answer lies in my virtual real estate investing secrets. And you can get a copy of it right now for free by clicking the link below, or this banner that you see here in the bottom left corner. You see, I discovered 15 years ago that traditional real estate investing is not for me, because to be honest with you, I don't like to work that hard. And that's why my real estate business is completely virtual. I work right here at my home on the Gulf of Mexico. I work when I want and I play when I want. There is so much opportunity in our world. You can literally design the life and the lifestyle that you want to live. You don't need to settle for a mediocre life. You don't need to live paycheck to paycheck. I don't live on the Gulf of Mexico by accident. I don't drive a $100,000 car by accident. My wife doesn't drive a $100,000 car by accident. My kids don't go to private schools by accident. My wife and I didn't build this $200,000 backyard by accident. I designed the life that I want to live, and my virtual real estate business pays that bill. So whenever you want to add something to your life, just do another deal. It's that simple. That's what I do. And there could not be a better time for you to get into virtual real estate investing than right now. So if you want to make more money by working less, that's what virtual real estate is all about. And I'd like to give you my virtual real estate investing secrets training for free. And you can get it right now by clicking on this box. But before you go there, make sure that you subscribe to my channel to get notified when I put out great informational training videos that will help you along your journey. Then click the box to request your free virtual real estate investing secrets training. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the training.